Brick ranch on approximately half-an-acre corner lot. A welcoming double-door entry opens to a stunning three-sided brick fireplace. Living room dining room combo. Family room with access to the deck. The oversized kitchen offers built-in appliances, a breakfast bar, abundant cabinetry, and generous counter space. Laundry room. Half bath. Primary bedroom. Second bedroom. Full bath with double sink vanity. Beautiful fenced backyard where you can relax or entertain. Large deck features built-in seating and a gas hookup for a grill. Screened gazebo. A huge storage shed or garage offers plenty of space for lawn equipment, tools, or hobbies.